Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I'm back again. The Dollar Tree is having their Family and Friends event tomorrow, July 14th. It's a 10% off the total purchase. Please leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get going. Well, this is the store I went to last week. They've updated some stuff here. They've got more binders in. They've got the hard binders in. Last week when I went, they didn't have any. So they've definitely got the hard binders in here. So make sure tomorrow when you go to this sale, now they ask you for a coupon, but I know last year when I did it, they actually gave me a coupon when I was checking out to use. So, you know, you might want to check on that for sure. They've got new pencil bags in, so definitely composition notebooks have been updated. Don't want you to miss out on any savings, especially on this 10% deal. Hey, this isn't a long video. I just wanted to get you guys caught up. Okay, they got more planners in. They had a lot more variety when I went back in there today. So you definitely should make sure you check out the planners. They got these soft binders one. They didn't have these size before. They weren't that big before. They're were like a purse size, but you know, they were softer. But they've got more variety in there. You should definitely check that out. They've got these wall calendars. They didn't even have these last week when I went in there. And then these little books right here, they're hard binder planners. They're really nice. And they came in a variety of colors and patterns too. Those are very, very nice. I see they got the solar lights back in, so I just wanted to give you guys a peek of that. Coming in the fall, usually people like these around the holidays. Okay, now I just noticed these today, and you tell me, leave a comment if you've seen these before, but I haven't. These are new. There are 4 different options of diffusers that I just saw in the store that I went to today. So if this is something that's been out for a while and I just missed it, hey, correct me. But I noticed them today. I thought they were brand new. Now, I saw these today for the first time, too. I want to say they've had these a long, long time ago, but these are primary fork and spoon. I guess you can put them in your kids' lunches, or if you take your lunch to work, you can put them in there as well. And here's a little bit of fall decor to wet your whistle. Not much. Hey, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I want to thank you for sticking around and watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.